Ever heard of public and private keys in crypto but felt totally confused? Don't worry, in just a few minutes, we'll break it down in simple words. Let's unlock the mystery behind how your crypto stays safe. In the world of cryptocurrency, keys are like digital tools that let you send, receive, and protect your crypto. There are two types: a public key, like your email address, a private key, like your email password. Your public key is safe to share. It creates your wallet address, the one you give people to send you crypto. Think of it like your username, others need it to send you messages, or in this case, money. Your private key is a secret code that proves you own the crypto. Never share it. If someone has your private key, they can steal your crypto. It's like your password, keep it safe, offline, or in a secure wallet. When someone sends crypto to your public key, only your private key can unlock it. They work as a team, one to share, one to secure. It's smart, safe, and built on math that's really hard to break. Let's recap real quick. Public key shared openly, used to receive crypto. Private key kept secret, used to unlock and send your crypto. Remember, share your public key, protect your private key. Now you know what public and private keys really are. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Block Basics, and drop your crypto questions below. See you in the next video.